everyone! Today, you will find out how to display and visualize test run results. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. Option 1. Instant test run results. Navigate to the Navigation tab, select your project, and you can analyze the execution results for all test cases under this project. This is the quickest and easiest way to access test run results. In Aqua, you can always see the latest run results and the history of the last 10 runs, represented with colors for every item in your test plan. You can specify and analyze items under specific components or folders within your project structure. You will also see columns such as last execution status, execution trend, and last execution date, providing an overview of the latest execution entries. This feature is available for both test cases and test scenarios. Option 2. Detailed run results. Navigate to the specific test case or test scenario and open the Executions tab for more detailed information about each test run, such as who executed the test, when it was executed, and the data used. Here, you can view all executions with details and even open each execution individually to see more in-depth information, including test steps and the results of each step. You can also open a single test scenario or test case, navigate to the Executions tab, and you will see detailed stats directly. You can view the status of each test step, such as which steps passed, failed, were blocked, or were not run. This allows you to drill down into individual executions to understand the specifics of each test run. Option 3. Using dashboards with execution results. Aqua allows you to create or use pre-built dashboards to build graphs, pie charts, and add grouping options, filters, KPI alerts, and more. This feature lets you customize your data visualization to match your specific needs. For example, you can create a dashboard dedicated to execution results per release. Under the applied filters, you can set conditions such as the release version or the last execution date range to analyze execution stats for different projects. You can see detailed breakdowns of execution results, like the number of tests passed, failed, or not run. Option 4. Using reports for extended and combined views. Navigate to the Reporting module and use the Executed Test Cases report to generate a report. You can apply filters such as Release Version or Last Execution Date to refine the report. The report will display charts showing test execution statuses, detailed lists of test cases, and their associated executions, providing a thorough documentation of your project's test activities. Additionally, reports can be exported in various formats or scheduled to be sent via email, ensuring you and your management always have the most up-to-date information. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70% and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.